Hello and welcome to the JA BizTown adventure. Today, as a JA BizTown explorer, you will begin your journey into the life of an adult. You will learn what it takes to run a business and manage your money. You will learn skills to help make you a valuable member of a business team and a community. You will also learn how to write checks, make deposits, maintain a checkbook register, use a debit card, and spend your money, just like adults do in the real world. Let's get started. Student explorers will open a web browser and go to learn.ja.org. As a student, you will select the Educators, Students, Volunteers button on the right-hand side. For this screen, your adventure instructor, also known as your teacher, will provide you with individual access codes, an email address, and a password. You will need to enter your assigned access codes, email address, password, and then you will select the login button below. The next screen will require you to click on the green Yes Allow button before moving forward. If this is your first time logging in, you will need to scroll to the bottom of the screen. Click on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of use, and then click the Save button. You will only see this screen this one time. From the JA Connect homepage, you will access your JA program by locating the box titled My JA Courses. Click on the gray triangle next to Capstone, and your JA BizTown Self-Guided Adventure class should appear. You should recognize your school name and teacher name in your title. Click on this course. This is your curriculum homepage, which includes all the lessons to complete your exploration of the JA BizTown program. Your navigation bar is on the left-hand side. You will see a welcome letter at the top. Our JA BizTown curriculum is made up of 5 units, starting with Unit 1, Financial Literacy. The units are then broken down into lessons. To access the materials, click on the Lesson tab. This will expand your navigation bar to see the activities in the lesson. In each lesson, there are 3 types of activities: volunteer videos, on-screen presentations, and student activity pages. When videos are selected from the navigation bar, they will appear on the right-hand side and begin to play. It is important to watch the full video. Confirm your volume is on. Once the video is complete, you will see a blue check mark appear in the upper corner to note that this part of the lesson is done. When on-screen presentations are selected from the navigation bar, the course will appear on the right. You will begin this on-screen presentation by selecting the play button in the center. The presentation will load in a new browser window, and click the Start to begin. There will be a Previous and Next button in the bottom right-hand corner to navigate between the screens. It is very important to allow the audio presentations to finish completely before moving forward. It is important to listen and follow along during all the presentations, as there will be activities to complete, like filling in the blank, drag and drop, and math calculations. Feedback will be provided as well. If a video appears during your on-screen presentation, you will need to select the play button, which is the white triangle in the middle. At the end of the video, there will be an X in the upper right-hand corner. This must be selected before you can click the Next button to move forward. Once the presentation is complete, you will receive this notice, and you should exit out of your web browser to return to the Lesson tab. When student activity pages are selected from the navigation bar, they will appear on the right. You will open these pages by selecting the white triangle in the middle. A PDF page will open in a new browser window. The document can be completed digitally, but must be downloaded first and saved when done. Your adventure instructor will instruct you on how to submit the document as an assignment. Once you complete all the activities in the lesson, your navigation bar will be lined with green check marks to show completion. At the end of your curriculum journey, you will reach Unit 5, Simulation and Debriefing. Here you will use your new skills to participate in a simulated community called JA BizTown Adventures. See you there!